Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Tabby in Lulu. For that you need to simply launch your Tabby mobile application and you can find Lulu in the featured stores section. But if you are not able to find it over here, you need to use the search bar in the top and you need to simply search for Lulu. Now over here you will see a bunch of different store names with Lulu. So we need to work with Lulu hypermarkets. So you need to simply tap on it, and over here it will show you how you can use your Tabby card or your Tabby app on the Lulu's platform online as well as in store. So if you want to use it online, you just have to simply use Tabby at the time of checkout. Then you need to provide your payment details and get instantly approved and make your first payment. But if you want to use it in store, you just have to tap on the in store option and it will show you the instructions, like you need to simply provide the payment link, or you can even pay with the help of the QR code. So you can select any of these options and it will show you the further instructions relating to each of the options. So you just have to read it carefully, and after that you can use your Tabby card in Lulu in store. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.